So you guys, yesterday I didn't vlog much. The totes got dropped off, and like I said, I didn't vlog much. We closed on this property. After the closing got done, I was at the embroidery shop. My main goal now, since we closed and got everything all situated, is to still organize in here. And you guys, we got to get some more inventory on the firewood. Ashton's at school right now. And so I just got done sharpening this saw right here, our MS 271. You can see, and as many of you guys know, I ran over the old one. Right here's the old one, all into pieces. So that one's an 18-inch, and then this is a 20-inch bar. So that's the only difference. We're gonna come out here and cut the IBC totes. Start putting our logs in. Ashton's gonna be out of school here in about an hour or so. Here's some nice oak right there, guys. And I'm not sure what that is, but that's all dried up and ready to burn. I think that's more of the softwood. So here's our pile. We've got an IBC tote over there that we got to take the plastic thing out of there too. You guys can see the taller ones here, right here, hold about 1/3 of a cord. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one over by our wood there, and you guys load it up in the firewood on there. See how much we can see how it's gonna fit here. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. Don't run it over. No. I'm gonna put it over here. Alright, so these logs are pretty big. Let's see here. Like that. Yeah, right there, guys. I think that'd look good. Because I don't think we'd go this way. Let me see here. Nope, this way be perfect right here, guys. This is perfect. How do you guys stack firewood? Let's see here. Just put them in, I guess. They're all about 16-inch, you guys. You know. I want Ashton to do this, so I'm gonna save some for him. Alright guys, so I didn't record it, but I took off the 2 bars that was on this tote. It's right there. Took it out, pull it out, and I'm gonna take this container, take that plastic deal out of there. this IBC totes, just make sure to clean off these edges because they can be sharp after you grind them off. So I think we should be good so it doesn't get caught on anything and, you know, take some of your skin off. Alright guys, I just picked up Ashton. He's done with school. Say what's up.
Hello.
And you guys, before we bring down the wood splitter, look at what we got. Ashton, show him.
Bags for the firewood.
Oh yeah.
So that you can put it in here.
Yep. And then we got it blank, but we're gonna figure out how we're gonna put Ashton's logo on there. I got the moisture meter here. Can grab. Just got that too. Right here, you guys. I picked up the pen type moisture meter. I got this off of Amazon. It's called General. We'll see how this works. Right here.
Yeah.
Here's the pins. Oh man.
And then we just stab that into the wood. Percent. Yeah.
23%. That's still wet.
24.
Yeah. So that's not even ready.
So the wet wood.
Go ahead, bud. Stack it in there. See that? That's our new tote. There you go. Yeah, push it out. Alright guys, so we're gonna just push this in. So we're at 14. That's not bad. 14.7. Yeah, let's check these ones. 6, 18.5. Still got moisture in them, I guess. 17. 17.5. We might have to. Yep, those should be good. Push it up further, bud. Yeah, there you go. Let me see. Let's but we might have to crack this one again.
Okay.
Crack that one. Let's Dad's gonna bring down the thing quick. Bring down the wood splitter.
You need my help to get it down?
Yeah, yep. I need your help. What's that?
We already told them that those ones were.
Yeah.
19.
19. Alright guys, so we got this bag here and we're gonna cut a hole right there so we can slip that container into the bag when we're putting in the firewood. This might not be tall enough.
It's not even tall enough for a bucket.
Okay, take a look at that, bud. Hey, let's go out and
I thought the wood was just gonna go through because it's like.
What's that?
It looks like the.
Thing's gonna rip?
Yeah, like it's not strong enough to hold the wood.
Oh. Oh, we'll see, you know, if it, because I think the other ones were bigger. Other bags. We should have got a 22. I thought it was going to be 22 tall. Put some more in. Yep, just hold it. Yeah, just hold it. Okay, put in some more. One of the bags is too big. Okay, give me another. Give me another one. Another one. Small one. That should be good. Let's see here.
That's 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
okay.
5, 6. And then we can put more
Yep.
in. That's 7.
I think we got it too small, bud. Too small. bags. Boy.
Can people still? They can still carry it though. If they buy it.
These are too small. I thought it was supposed to be the other way. Alright guys, so let's dump that out. And so you guys, we're gonna return all these bags. Good thing Uline, we have an account with Uline, and just print out the label. I already submitted the return. Print out the label, package it, tape it back up, and send it back. You know, so and then we'll just order new. The 22 by 24, guys. All right, guys. So that didn't fit. Frustrated. Well, lesson learned. Okay, go ahead.
Choke all the way?
Yep, choke all the way. Down.
We'll cut those.
Yep, we'll still cut them like this one. This is good. So you can do.
This one? I wonder if when I cut them tiny. When I
right, we're almost. Oh, that one's almost full. You know?
Probably the same size as the other one.
Yeah. That's almost full. Almost. Yeah. This is 16-inch. So you guys, that's still green, and that's box elder. And so but it's still good. It's still good for campfire. So we are gonna split it. Maybe we'll just get this ready, bud, and then call it a day. And then tomorrow, hungry? Okay. Okay, push, bud. We're gonna call it a day, you guys. We're gonna set this here. Okay, bud. Yep, rotate it. We're gonna get this in place, and then that's it. Okay, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and let us know what you think. How can we improve? What can we do? So we'll set that right there. Perfect. Huh? No, it's the same. Yeah. So, all right. Bud, tell them where they can find you.
At Ashton's Firewood on Instagram, and then also Ashton's Firewood on YouTube.
All right, guys. Make sure you guys go follow them. We'll see you next time.